Experiencing connection problems, unexpected behavior, or audio issues with your JBL Partybox Ultimate. Sometimes saved settings or temporary software glitches can prevent the speaker from performing properly. Fortunately, a factory reset can refresh the system and restore the speaker to its original default configuration. In many situations, performing a factory reset on the JBL Partybox Ultimate is an effective way to solve common Bluetooth and setup issues. Before assuming the speaker is defective or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and return the device to its factory state. 1. Turn on the JBL Partybox Ultimate and make sure it has enough battery power or is connected to AC power. 2. Locate the appropriate button combination used to initiate the factory reset process. 3. Press and hold the required controls until the speaker indicators react or the unit restarts. 4. Allow the Partybox Ultimate to complete the reset and remove any previously stored connections. 5. Pair the speaker again with your preferred device and verify that audio functions normally.